Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I'm back real quick to go over some results for WTM Pub, okay? Got a few envelopes that have come in. I want to share some results with you in reference to a few postcard programs that I'm affiliated with this company, WTM Pub, okay? So let me go over those real quick, just a few of these. I'm gonna put the links below so you can go check them out at your leisure. But these are the top three. We're gonna talk about just the top three today, but the rest of them will be listed below. So let's start out with Cash Cow 100. These are postcard programs that Eric Pantalone, he is the creator of these. He created these for the every average day person that's not online or don't want to be online. They don't want to promote anything online. They would just prefer to mail a postcard in the mail. And when they get a sign up, they get their commission sent to them. Something simple, okay, where you don't have to worry about learning internet marketing. So he created these. And these are all great price points. So Cash Cow 100 is $300 to get in, okay? This is the card, this is one side, here's the other side. This one pays $100 on 2 tiers. So whenever your team makes 100, you make 100. The company provides you with 100 postcards when you join this one, Cash Cow 100, okay? When you join me in this one, I'm going to give you 200 leads to get you started. These are names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. Targeted people, okay? Cash Cow 100, 300 to get started. You're going to send in 3 money orders. You want to send all your payments, whichever program you decide to join, send them priority mail so that you can get a tracking number and track them, okay? Cash Cow 100. The next one is the Postcard Tycoon. Go check it out, the postcarddiva.com. This one doesn't come with a website, okay? But the Tycoon does. You get a personalized website. This one comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads from the company and your own personal website. The company also gives you, after every 5th sale, 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Guys, this is a business in a box, offline. You can strictly do this offline, and you make $300 commissions over and over and over and over again. So this is a one-time payment, by the way, guys. You don't pay these monthly. These are one-time payments. Once you're in, you're in. All you need to do from that point is just continue to mail your cards. So the the 5 for life bonus is a biggie, okay? Because after every 5th sale, the company sends you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, okay? This is gonna help you along with your business. I don't know a company that will do this. This is the 5 for life to infinity, okay? After every 5th sale. So think about that, $300 per sale. It comes with 250 names and addresses that you can mail to right out the gate. It comes with 250 postcards. Now, when you join me in this one, I'm going to send you 500 leads. So you're going to have 250 from the company and 500 from me. That's 750 leads of people, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. These aren't random people. You guys know that. We're in the home-based business niche. So we reach out to people that have spent money in a home-based business before, so they're very aware of making money from home, and they're asking for information, okay? So this is a hot, very, very hot program, okay? It's been around since 2016. I've been in it since 2016, okay? So the Postcard Tycoon, go check it out at www.thepostcarddiva.com, okay? Now, another popular one is high ticket. You have some people that want to make a higher commission. This one pays out $1,000 per sale. This is called Supreme Profit System. It comes with a website. It has 2 tiers too, just like the Cash Cow. So when your teammate makes $1,000 commission, you make $1,000 commissions. This is very powerful, and it comes with a website, your own personal website. It'll have your name and number on your website. Okay, this one comes with 1,000 postcards from the company. Okay, this one also has the 5 for life, just like the Tycoon. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. That's powerful. $1,000 commissions. Join me in this one, and I'll send you 1,000 leads. So this is another business in the box, ready to go. 1,000 postcards, and then I send you 1,000 leads. Business in a box, okay? So Supreme Profit System, go check it out at www.easymailboxincome.com. I'll put the link below, okay? So those are my top postcard programs. Now, let's get to the results. But before we do that, I had a couple other people I needed to shout out. Miss Banks, she joined the Tycoon this week as well, and Laura joined the Tycoon. Here are the sheets that you get when people sign up. They'll send you a sheet that has the word Postcard Tycoon or Cash Cow, whatever it is, it'll come up here. It'll be labeled, okay? So shout those ladies out. And I can't put my hands on the other people at the moment but everybody that signed up in the last week, welcome aboard. And you should have received an email from me as well, okay? So let's get into these real quick, and I'll let you guys go check those links out at your leisure. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, just reach out to me, okay? Let's see if we can get into these. But if you're looking for a way to make some extra income without being online, you don't have to do social media, any of that stuff, these postcard programs are very simple, and they work if you stick to them. Nothing is overnight, but it takes consistency. Okay, here's one for Tycoon. This is from Miss Wells. I'm going to cover up this stuff here so we don't expose routing numbers and all that stuff. Welcome, Miss Wells. I've already spoken to her. This is for the Tycoon, 300 bucks, okay? And then let's show you this so you can see on the back, okay? It hasn't been signed, okay? So, let's do this. Miss Wells, 300, Tycoon. All right, guys? Next one. So everybody that has joined me, and I've got a summer special going. I'm giving you 500 leads. I was doing 400, but I'm upping the ante to 500. So make sure you get in the Tycoon. All right. Next one. This is Mr. Lewis Washington for the Cash Cow. Spoke with him as well, and I want to welcome him. He signed up with Mr. Grisby. So this is one of my teammates, Cash Cow, 100 bucks, guys, okay? So, congrats, Robert, on your first sale with the Cash Cow. Good job. That means he's mailing because I received 100 bucks from his efforts, okay? So I love it when other people actually do the work and they get the results. All right. Okay, no signature on the back of these. Tycoon and the Cash Cow. Okay, Miss Katrina, she actually joined both programs. I'm going to show you guys one at a time. Okay, she signed up for both programs at one time, guys. That's powerful. That means she's serious. She joined both programs at one time. Okay, here's the Tycoon, $300. Miss Katrina, welcome aboard. Okay, then she joined the Cash Cow also. Let me cover this up. I'm just covering up the routing numbers, guys. Okay. And that's 100 bucks. See that? Cash Cow, and that's Miss Katrina. And that's to me for 100 bucks, okay? So, get started. Pick a program. Very simple. You decide. If you want to make $100 commissions on 2 tiers, you want to make $500. I have one of those programs too. You want to make $300 per sale, or you want to make $1,000 per sale. It's up to you guys. You decide, okay? And then I have one of my lead sources. I'll give you one, www.buyerleads.info. Go check it out, okay? Great program. Just sharing your link. First of all, you get commissions from that. and then you get results from using the leads to mail your postcards to. Okay, so thank you guys for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.